Are you thinking about financing a car? Whether you're a first-time car buyer or a seasoned driver, there are some important things to know before signing on the dotted line. Here are the top 10 things you should consider before financing a car. Number 1. Your credit score. Your credit score is one of the most important factors in determining the interest rate you'll receive on your car loan. A higher credit score can help you secure a lower interest rate, saving you money in the long run. Number 2. Budget. Before financing a car, it's important to have a clear understanding of your budget. Calculate your monthly expenses and determine how much you can afford to spend on a car. Number 3. Down payment. Putting down a larger down payment can help reduce the overall cost of the car and lower your monthly payments. Number 4. Loan term. The length of the loan term is an important factor to consider. A longer loan term means smaller monthly payments, but it also means paying more in interest over time. Number 5. Interest rate. Interest rates can vary greatly depending on your credit score and the lender. Shop around and compare rates to get the best deal. Number 6. Hidden fees. Be aware of any hidden fees that may be associated with the loan, such as origination fees, prepayment penalties, or late fees. Number 7. Trade-in value. If you have a car to trade in, research its value before going to the dealership. Knowing its value can help you negotiate a fair price. Number 8. Warranty. Consider purchasing an extended warranty to cover any unexpected repairs. Number 9. Insurance. Before financing a car, research insurance rates for the make and model of the car you're considering. Number 10. Read the fine print. Make sure you read and understand all the terms and conditions of the loan agreement before signing. If you're unsure about anything, ask questions and seek clarification. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me continue creating more videos that you'll love. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.